Well, this is basic writing, lesson 8, which is called conjunctive adverbs. It's a kind of adverbs which basically function as a conjunction. So how can you use these conjunctive adverbs in joining sentences, and how these conjunctive adverbs are different from the rest kind of conjunctions, the correlative, the subordinating, and the coordinating conjunctions. I'll try to give examples and list the different types of conjunctive adverbs. One thing which I focus on conjunctive adverbs and how they are particularly what important punctuation marks are needed here and how they are different from that of the rest. I'll try to give examples here. Okay, conjunctive adverbs ከሌሎቹ የአያያዥ ቃሎች የሚለዩባቸው ነገሮች ምንድን ናቸው? conjunctive adverb ባህሪያቸው ምንድነው? ለምን conjunctive adverb ተባሉ? እነሱን አንዳንድ ምሳሌዎች እየሰጠው ለመሄድ ሞክራለሁ። the first one እነዚህ conjunctive adverb መነሻቸው ምንድነው? adverbs ናቸው actually adverbs ማለት ግስን ራሳቸው adverbዎችንና adjectivዎችን ሊገልጹ የሚችሉ ናቸው። ነገር ግን በዚህ አጠቃቀማችን እንደምንድነው ተጠቀባቸው እንደ አያያዥ ቃል እንጠቀምባቸዋለን። ምክንያቱም they are preceding with semicolon የሚለዩበት ነገር ምንድነው? በሰሚኮለን ይለያሉ actually በሰሚኮለን and plus followed by comma አንድ መለያቸው እሱ ነው። yes አንድ መለያቸው preceding with semicolon አስከትለው ይሄዳሉ and followed by comma አስከትለው ይሄዳሉ። ሁለተኛ they possibly joins to main clauses possibly joins with to main clauses. It's not just like that of subordinating conjunction. It's not just like that of correlative conjunctions, all right? Sometimes they are similar with coordinating conjunctions because correlative coordinating conjunctions they possibly join to main clauses here. And this is true for conjunctive adverbs. ስለዚህ ሁለት መለያዎችን አየን። semicolon and followed by comma and they join two main clauses. No main clause and no subordinating clauses here. and dependent clause and independent clause ብቻ አይደለም። ስለዚህ በእነዚህ አጠቃቀማችን conjunctive adverbs ከሌሎቹ conjunctions ይለያሉ። conjunctive adverbs they are adverbs which possibly joins two main clauses to make one, but the two main clauses are still they stand by themselves and meaningful. No dependent clauses are written here. That's the way, and we say that conjunctive adverbs here. conjunctive adverb በጽንሰ ሐሳቡ basically ይሄ ነው። ወይም በሌላ አገላለጽ ምንድነው የምንላቸው እነዚህን discourse markers ነው የምትሏቸው። discourse markers yes discourse markers look here. Sometimes this may not be true. They may not sometimes preceding with followed by preceding with semicolon but they precede with comma. አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ አንዳንዶቹ conjunctive adverbs semicolon precede አድርገው ላይሄዱ ይችላሉ። They complete the first sentence by putting period and then we'll continue for a kind of conjunctive adverb and we can separate by a comma with the second clause, all right? This is also another important use of conjunctive adverbs here. One thing here, let me start. The first conjunctive adverb is addition or agreement. What addition means? If you want to just give an additional information for the first clause, so you can use addition discourse marker or addition conjunctive markers. ምን ማለት ነው? ይሄ ማለት addition ስንል ለመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ የሚያስፈልገን ከሆነ ተጨማሪውን ሐሳብ መግለጽ ሲያስፈልገን እነዚህን addition conjunctive adverb ተጠቅመን ሐሳቡን እናያይዛለን ማለት ነው። ይሄ ነው addition ማለት። I have first idea and I want to expand my first idea with another supplementing idea, so I can combine or I can add that supplementing ideas by inserting or by adding a kind of what is conjunctive adverb. Unless I use the conjunction, the sentence has sentence errors, okay? ምንም አይነት አያያዥ ቃል ሳልጠቀም ሐሳቡን መግለጽ ከሆነ ሐሳቡ ተያያዥነት አይኖረውም። ምናልባት ሐሳቡ sentence error አለበት ወይ ረኖን ሊሆን ይችላል ወይ something that totally we cannot get some important point from that. Simply it's a kind of a simple sentence. You know, simple sentence, a sentence which stands by itself and it doesn't go with the other sentence. So this is not a kind of writing for a paragraph. This is not a kind for writing ideas which are agreement and addition, all right? ስለዚህ ሐሳባችን መግለጽ የሚገባን ነገር እንደዚህ ካልገለጽ ነው ሚኒንግፉል የሆነ አረፍተ ነገር ልንጽፍ አንችልም ማለት ነው yes furthermore moreover additionally also besides in addition to all these are examples of addition በተጨማሪ ለማለት እኮ ነው እንደዚህ በተጨማሪ ስንል ለመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ሁለተኛ ተጨማሪ ማብራሪያ ሐሳብ ምን ገልጽ ከሆነ you can use this conjunctive adverbs yeah actually አሁን ፈተና ላይ ወይም የሆነ ነገር ላይ ስንጽፍ ጥንቃቄ ማድረግ የሚገባል what is the relation between the first and the second sentence please here እዚህ ጋር የመጀመሪያው ሐሳብና ሁለተኛው ሐሳብ ምን አይነት ሪሌሽንሺፕ አላቸው cause effect ናቸው contrast ናቸው result ናቸው consequence ናቸው addition ነው that's right እንደሱ ማየት መቻል look here the plan is too risky furthermore we don't have the budget for it risky one problem we don't have the budget for it risky ብቻ መኖሩ ሳይሆን ለዚህ ፕላኑ ረን የምናደርግበት ምን የለንም budget የለም so the second is it expands for the first one so look at the plan is too risky one main clause we don't have the budget for it another main clause so these two ideas can be combined with furthermore moreover additionally and we do have the budget for it also of course here there is a period at the end of the first sentence and the conjunction can be separated with a comma here one way of writing one way of combining these conjunctive verbs just like this please እንደዚህ ልንጽፈው እንችላለን actually so here furthermore she is a brilliant scientist moreover semicolon here moreover she is an excellent teacher another main clause look here semicolon addition to the source marker and there is comma so that's the way we write this conjunctive adverbs conjunctive adverb የተባሉበት ምክንያት all right what's called conjunctive there look here the plan is too risky furthermore we don't have the budget for it we don't have the budget for it what's furthermore here ሐሳቡን አያያዝ አይደለ እንደ conjunctive adverbነቱ ምንድነው የሚገልጸው it modifies verbs adverbs and adjectives here ስለዚህ furthermore conjunctive adverb ነው ካልን አሁንም እንደ conjunctive adverb እንጠቀምበት ወይ adverb መግለጽ አለበት ወይ verboች መግለጽ አለበት ካልሆነ adjective መግለጽ አለበት in this case there is no any adjective here and there is no any adverb here it simply modified the action that the subject does definitely please the plan is too risky furthermore we do have we do have the budget for it ስለዚህ ማን ነው እየገለጸ ያለው yes this one please is a verb and the other one we don't have furthermore we don't have negative word please here ስለዚህ furthermore የሚገልጸው እዚህ ጋር ያለው verb ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው negative verb ነው conjunctive adverb ማለት ያረፍተ ነገሩን verb ወይም adverb ወይም adjective ነው modify የሚያደርገው ስለዚህ በዚህ ኬስ ማን ነው እየገለጸልን ያለው we don't have የሚለው ነገር the plan is risky furthermore we do have the budget for it so this emphasizes about this verbs here that's why it is a kind of conjunctive adverb ያለበት ምክንያት because we don't forget the definition of adverbs are please definition መርሳት ስለሌለብን ነው she is a brilliant scientist moreover she is an excellent teacher moreover she is ስለዚህ verb ነው እየገለጸ ስለሷ ነው እያወራን ያለው አይደል ስለሷ brilliant scientist መሆኗን brilliant excellent teacher መሆኗን እየገለጸ moreover እነዚህ ሁለት ነገሮች ናቸው ስለዚህ moreover የሚለው አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያለውን the whole verbን ይገልጻል ማለት ነው and its function does an adverb please yeah next contrast or opposition contrast means look here how the first is different from the second one contrast means two views or two ideas are completely contrast they are opposite we know about the intent or the central idea of the sentence themselves yeah this is an extra information an additional information for the first one but in this case the second clause opposes or contrasts for the first clause so they are different አይደለ በዚህ ጋር ነው ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያውን ሐሳብ ሁለተኛው የሚቃረነው ከሆነ ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ የሚያመጣለት ከሆነ እነዚህ ዲስኮርስ ማርከሮች ወይ እነዚህ conjunctive adverbs ፖሲብል ናቸው ነው አይደል however nevertheless nonetheless conversely instead otherwise ልክ ነው እነዚህን እንጠቀምባቸዋለን but they are not adverb clause of contrast አይደሉም adverb clause of contrast አይደሉም adverb clause of contrast አይደሉም አድቨርቦች አይደሉም እነዚህ አድቨርብ ኮንትራስት እንላቸው አይደሉም አድቨርቡ ሰቦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽኖች አይደሉም ማለት ነው ሰቦርዲኔት ኮንጀክሽን ከሆኑ እንደ ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ እንጠቀምባቸዋለን they use dependent and independent clause in this case conjunctive adverb የተባሉበት ምንም አይነት ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ጋር ተከትለው ስለማይሄዱ ነው ሁለቱም ክሎዞች ሜን ክሎዝ ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ስለሆኑ ነው conjunctive adverbs የተባሉት ያ definitely conjunctive adverbs for he is very wealthy however he lives a modest life here however semicolon and with here he is very wealthy one independent clause he lives in a modest life one independent clause these two main clauses can be joined with conjunctive adverb however because he lives a modest life is an opposite idea for he is very wealthy which have different meaning isn't but this is not the additional information for the first one exactly so however is the right word please what's however here he is very wealthy however he lives a modest life ልክ ነው ለምሳሌ ይሄን he is very wealthy although he lives a modest life አይሆንም ምክንያቱም ኮምፕሊትሊ አድርገው አይችልም ሐሳቡን ምክንያቱም although ስትጠቀሙ ክሎዝ ነው ምን አይነት ክሎዝ ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ መሆን መቻል አለበት here the weather is very terrible nevertheless we had a great time yes very terrible yes right maybe foggy rainy and cloudy nevertheless nonetheless we had a great time we enjoy our life outside we enjoy our life here right ምንም እንኳ የአየር ጸባዩ አስቸጋሪ ቢሆንም ወይ ይሁን እንጂ የአየር ጸባዩ ቢያስቸግርም ይሁን እንጂ we had a great time ጥሩ ሰዓት እንደነበረን ነው we passed a great time ጥሩ ሰዓት እንዳሳለፍ ነው እየገለጻል ስለዚህ that is what is nonetheless nevertheless is also possible nevertheless is also possible the third question you need to finish your homework otherwise you can go out otherwise is semicolon and comma look here you need to finish your homework otherwise you can't go out alright ልክ ነው የቤት ስራውን መስራቱ አስፈላጊ ነው ካልሆነ ወደ ውጭ ሄደህ ልትጫወት ልትዝናና አትችልም ነው አይደለ that's called conjunctive opposition እንለዋለን ለምሳሌ I failed my driving license look here I failed my driving license nonetheless I can pass the exam again I can take the exam again sorry I failed my driving license nonetheless I can take the exam again yes በወድቅም ፈተናውን እንደገና መውሰድ እችላለሁ which are two different and opposite ስለዚህ which is the first one the first additional information and this one is far from yes በፍጹም ሊገናኙ አይችሉም ሁለተኛው conjunctive adverbራችን ይሄ ነው the third one the cause and condition and reason therefore thus consequently hence accordingly እነዚህ ምን የሚገልጹ ናቸው condition reason and cause የሚገልጹ conjunctive adverbs here the road was closed therefore we had to take a detour right the road was closed therefore we had to take a reason የሚገልጹ ናቸው therefore condition ሊገልጹ የሚችሉ conjunctive adverbs he failed to just submit the application consequently he was disqualified here yes right the other discourse marker or conjunctive adverb is result or effects or we can say that expressing for result here therefore thus consequently as a result leads to resulted in leads to resulted in leads to or you can say that leads to resulted in or እነዚህ examples of what ሪዘልትን የሚገልጹ ነው ውጤት ምክንያትና ውጤት የሚገልጹ ማለት ናቸው እነዚህ እኮ right ምክንያትና ውጤት የሚገልጹ ናቸው እነዚህ ስለዚህ she practiced daily as a result she won the competition she practiced daily what's the result for practicing daily she won the competition she was found on a good line and her stand was really very nice of course result ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው the company expanded too quickly consequently it was bankrupt yes the company expanded too quickly consequently it went bankrupt yeah of course here the other one here is I faced actually I just am extravagant as a result I faced economical challenges I'm extravagant As a result, consequently, therefore, thus, I faced economical crisis. Of course, result ነው ኤክስትራቫጋንት ከሆንኩ ሪዘልቱ ክራይሲስ ነው ኢኮኖሚካል ክራይሲስ መከሰቱ በእኔ ላይ ሪዘልት ነው የኤክስትራቫጋንት ሪዘልት alright later maybe just the students do not do the assignments the project works consequently they will not get promotion or they will not promote to the next class they will not promote the next class so that's the result unable to do the assignment unable to do the classwork unable to do the project work and the result is what they will not get or unable to promote the next grade that's of course the children do not have parents consequently they will face economical problems what is the economical problem because they don't have parents and they do not get any helper who support them so they face economical challenge that's the result for that if the cause here so you can just combine this kind of examples we show about cause effect okay result ሊያሳይ የሚችል አረፍተ ነገር መንገልጽባቸው conjunctive adverbs result ወይም effect ብለን ነው የምንጠራቸው sometimes አንዳንዶቹ እዚህ ጋር የናቸው reason clauses ከeffect ጋር የሚመጡም አሉ ለምሳሌ therefore consequently ብትወስዱት of course ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብ ሊገልጽ ይችላል reason ሊገልጽ ይችላል of course nice የሚቀጥለው ላይ እንመጣለን time or sequence actually these are conjunctive adverbs conjunctive adverb yeah conjunctive adverb ስለሱ እናያለን አሁን ያ number 5 meanwhile subsequently then next finally actually these conjunctive adverbs are I know adverbs we show about sequences means how we arrange ideas in terms of their flow yes their flow እንደ አመጣጥ ወይስ እንደ አገባባቸው ሐሳብ እንደ መግለጽ ያገላለጽ ችሎታቸውን ሐሳባቸውን አይተን firstly second third fourth እያል ወይም first second third and last እያል ምንገልጽባቸው conjunctive adverbs sequence conjunctive adverb or time conjunctive adverb meanwhile subsequently then next first finally exactly yeah I will start making dinner meanwhile you can sit the table meanwhile of course I start making dinner meanwhile you can set the table here what's meanwhile mean what this happens next mean all right he graduated from college subsequently what is the next one please what is the next one he found a job in Paris subsequently it shows about the next step yeah subsequently means first you will start this in this way and finally you will complete your work at 4:30 or at 6:30 right go this road and next you will turn right first you practice finally you will be perfect speaker right just like that please yeah ምን ሰራቸው ሐሳቦች ምን ጽፋቸው ሐሳቦች እዚህ ጋር sequence ወይም ቅደም ተከተልን ሊገልጹ ሊያሳዩ የሚችሉ ሐሳቦች መሆን መቻል አለባቸው exactly that's what I want to say here next one the 6 types of discourse marker or conjunctive adverb clarification or exemplification ምንድን ማለት ናቸው ለተቀመጠው ሐሳብ ምሳሌ የሚያስፈልገን ከሆነ ምሳሌ የምንገልጽባቸው conjunctive adverbs ናቸው ምሳሌ መስጠቱ ሐሳቡን more clear ያደርገዋል more energetic እንዲኖር ያደርገዋል more understandable ያደርገዋል ሐሳብ ምሳሌ መስጠቱ ስለዚህ for example for instance thus specifically in other words or namely here namely just such as yeah such as actually these are እነዚህ ምንድናቸው clarification or exemplification yes endemic animals generate income for instance the Wallace specs and the Nela the Chida the baboon which are found in Ethiopia. No, you can just do that one, please. What are endemic animals? These are endemic animals, yeah? Because I want to define by giving examples what endemic animals are. So it makes clear the sentence, isn't it? So this exemplification is important. So how this exemplification different from the rest here? There are list of ideas here, list of supporting views here, list of examples are written here. እዚህ ጋር ለተቀመጠው ሐሳብ ምሳሌዎች የተዘረዘሩ ከመጡ ሐሳቡ በኤግዛምፕሊፊኬሽን ይገለጻል። what kind of exemplification? Conjunctive adverbs of exemplification ናቸዋለን። I love Italian food. For example, pasta, risotto are my favorites here. For example, semicolon and comma. So for this, for example, is exemplification discourse marker. It gives examples about pasta, risotto for the first Italian food. ምሳሌ ናቸው ቅድም እንደሰጧቸው አይነት ማለት ነው። Yes, right. For instance, እንችላለን. Of course, for instance, I can just give examples for here. Nice, please. So, for example, pasta and risotto are my favorite food. Yeah, nice. Here is acrophobia. Yes. Arachnophobia, that is, he has a fear of spiders. Arachnophobia, that is, what's arachnophobia? He has fear of spiders, yeah? ይህን መፍራቱን arachnophobia ብለን የገለጽ ስለዚህ that is exemplification word row, yes, exemplification word row, yes. Fruits are important to our body. For instance, apple, mango, and what about lemon? You can just give example how fruits are important to human beings. Nice, please, yeah. ስለዚህ በዚህ ምሳሌ መሰረት ምሳሌ እየሰጠን ሐሳባችን ዴቨሎፕ ማድረግ ስንፈልግ we can just do it on the way, please. The other conjunctive adverbs are emphasis or intensification. Intensification means giving an extra emphasis for the first sentence, or do attention for the first sentence, or more clear by giving some emphasis. Okay, emphasis ማለት ኢንቴንሲፋይ ማድረግ ነው። ሃይ ዲግሪ እንዲኖረው አጽንኦት መስጠት የምንገልጽ የምንፈልገውን ሐሳብ አጽንኦት ሰጥተን እንድንገልጽ የሚያደርገን conjunctive adverbs ናቸው። Indeed, yeah, certainly, of course, in fact, undoubtedly. ለምሳሌ እነዚህ very important emphasis conjunctive adverbs. That conjunction is please. ለምሳሌ it was a difficult task. Indeed, it was the hardest of my life. What indeed means, I want to give cheer. It was a difficult task. It was a difficult task. I want to just give emphasis how it was a difficult task mean by giving it was the hardest of my life. Yeah, ለዚህ difficult task ለሚለው more emphasis የምሰጠው ይሄን ሐሳብ ሲጨምር ይሄ ሐሳብ ለዚህ ሐሳብ ተጨማሪ የሚሰጥ ነው። more አጽንኦት እንዲሰጡ የሚያደርግ ነው። ይሄን ስገልጽ ደግሞ indeedን certainly ልገልጽ እችላለሁ። ስለዚህ indeed ማለት ሁለት ክሎዞችን ያያያዘ ነው። It's called an emphasis conjunctive adverb እንለዋለን። Emphasis, yeah, emphasis, nice. She is highly qualified candidate. Emphasis is overqualified. Yeah, she is highly qualified. In fact, she is what? Overqualified. Have you seen it here? This overqualified, it gives an extra emphasis for highly qualified candidate. No, that's right. That's right here. So you can combine this sentence with exemplification, cause effect, reason, addition, something like that. I want them because the ideas are different here. Okay, the ideas are different here. All right. He is a clever student. He is a skillful teacher. He is a skillful teacher. Of course, he has diversified skills. Look here. He is a clever teacher, yeah. Clever teacher. Of course, look here. Of course, he has diversified, yes. Diversified skills. Look this one. Of course here, comma. Nice here. Diversified here, diversified skills. Look the example please here. He is a clever student. Of course, he has diversified skills or versatile skills. Yeah, versatile skills. Versatile skills. So he has versatile skills ማለት ሜኒ ስኪልስ ነው። በጣም ጎበዝ ነው። ሜኒ ስኪልስ አለው ስንል ክሌቨር ስቱደንት ክሌቨር ቲቸር የሚለውን ነገር የሚገልጽ ነው። ስለዚህ ኦፍ ኮርስ አን ኤግዛምፕሊፊኬሽን ሳይሆን ኤምፋሲስ መስጠት የሚችልበትን ሀሳብ ማያይዝበት ናይስ ፕሌስ ሳስ The other conjunctive adverb is summary or conclusion. Summary means if you want to conclude about a paragraph or one's writing, there is a need of conclusion. Unless the paragraph is too short, and most of the time we conclude the paragraph and issue with a conclusion. Yes, that's what. So a conclusion is different from the rest of conjunctive adverbs here. Summary ሊሰጡ የሚችሉ ራሳቸው ሰመሪ የምንገልጽባቸው ናቸው። ያ ለምሳሌ thus, therefore, in conclusion, to summarize, overall, or generally speaking, summarizing, generally, እነዚህ አይነት ነገሮች ምንድን ናቸው? conclusion የምንሰጥባቸው conjunctive adverbs is that. Look here. In conclusion, the evidence points to a single suspect here. Actually, this is a very single idea here. Anyway, again, we are intended to conclude a paragraph. Of course, it begins. This signal expression comes at the beginning of the paragraph, the beginning of the sentence. መልክ ነው። አንድን ሀሳብ ኮንክሉድ ስታደርግ እኮ መካከል ላይ በአብዛኛው ሰዓት መጀመሪያ ላይ ነው የሚመጣው። በፓራግራፉ በአረፍተ ነገሩ መጀመሪያ ይመጣል። In conclusion, the evidence points to a single suspect here. ከዚህ በፊት የፓራግራፉ ይዘት አለ ማለት ነው አይደል? The costs are high and the demand is low. Thus, the project is not viable. Yeah, thus the project is not viable. So the project is unable to viable is the result, the conclusion of the first sentence here. So thus is conclusion paragraph. So actually, this is the way that you use this conjunctive adverbs. Anyway, what I want to show here is how conjunctive adverb is different from the rest of conjunctions. እሱን ማሳየት ነው የፈለኩት። ሁለተኛና ዋናው ደግሞ ሰሚኮለን እና ኮማን አስከትለው ይሄዳሉ። ሶስተኛው እንደገና ደግሞ አንዳንዶቹ እነዚህ conjunctive adverbs ኮማን ብቻ አስከትለው ይሄዳሉ። አራተኛው እነዚህ conjunctive adverb የተባሉበት ምክንያት አሁን የዘረዘርኩባቸው ምክንያቶች ሲሆኑ በአብዛኛው በአረፍተ ነገሩ ላይ አድቨርብን ቨርቦችን ወይም አድጀክቲቮችን አረፍተ ነገሩ ላይ ስለሚገልጽ ነው conjunctive adverb የተባሉበት። ዋናውና የመጨረሻው እንደገና ደግሞ ሁለት ሜን ክሎዞችን ብቻ ነው ጆይን የሚያደርጉት እነዚህ conjunctive adverbs። ለምሳሌ correlative word ነው phrase ነው ክሎዝ ነው የሚያያይዘው አይደለ? subordinating and dependent አለ and independent አለ። complex sentence ማለት ነው። coordinating ሁለት ሜን ክሎዞች አሉት። ሁለት ኮሚን ክሎዞችን ምናላይበት ጆይን ምናደርግበት ናቸው ፋን ቦይስ ምንላቸው። ይሄኛው ደግሞ ስፔሻል conjunctive adverb ነው። ስለዚህ ፈንክሽኑ modifies verbs, adverbs, adjectives. So completely we can say this kind of conjunctive adverbs are discourse markers እንላቸዋለን። እነዚህን አንዳንድ ጊዜ discourse marker ማለት ሐሳባችን ረዘም ማድረግ መጻፍ የምንፈልግ ከሆነ just like a paragraph ስናወራም ራሱ ስፒቻችን ረዘም ያለ ስፒች ምናወራ ከሆነ እነዚህን conjunctive adverbs ወይም discourse marker እንጠቀማለን። they are sometimes called what? discourse markers እንላቸዋለን እነዚህን. So that is what I want to show about these conjunctive adverbs. This will be the end of unit 2. I'm going to start into unit 3. Sentence errors እገባለሁ። እነሱ በጣም critical ናቸው. I'll give you examples and that's enough for today, please. And I'll give you some questions focusing on conjunctions, the correlative, coordinating, subjective, and subordinating, and the conjunctive adverbs. Summarize ጥያቄ መጨረሻ ላይ እንሰጣለሁ። For the time being, that's it. Thank you, please. Bye.